This is a demonstration for Edx1280 for equivalent fractions. If we have a look at this pizza, this whole pizza, and we turn around to someone, one of the students, and say, how would we go about sharing this with one of your friends so that you each got an equal part of the whole? By giving a couple of these pizzas out, we could let the children cut it up, fold it, cut it, have a little play around to try and get 2 equal parts. And then when they did, we could lay them over the top of our whole like this to show that we have 2 equal parts of the whole, which then we'd explain are 2 halves, so that 2 halves make a whole. Then we could turn around and say, but what if we need to share it with 4 people? How would we go about that? And they could sit there again and have a little play and cut it up and work out that we need to find 4 equal parts of the whole to be able to share this fairly. And it would look like something like that. So then we've realised that 4 equal parts become 4 quarters. So 4 quarters make up a whole. And that 2 quarters make a half. So 2 quarters make a half, and 4 quarters make a whole. But then, what if we say we have 8 people to share it with? How would we go about that? Again, the children could have an explore, a bit of a cut up, and come up with 8 equal parts of the pizza, so that each person got an equal share. So now we've found out that 8 equal parts make a whole. So that would become 8 eighths. So 8 eighths make a whole, and each person would get 1/8. 4 eighths make a half, and 2 eighths make a quarter. So this way the children have learnt that 2 eighths equal a quarter, that 2 quarters equal a half, and that 2 halves equal a whole.